Yes, students. Now, today we are going to start exercise 5A from question number 12. In this question says, write each mixed fraction as an improper fraction. Very simple question. How to write down, how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let's see. First of all, what I have to do? Write down 7 and 3 upon 4 as it is. Next step, what I have to do? This denominator you have to multiply with the whole number, and whatever answer will become that plus numerator means how. Let's see. First of all, draw one line. इस तरीके से एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है. देन डिनोमिनेटर मल्टीप्लाई होल नंबर, सो 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 7 प्लस दिस न्यूमरेटर 3, एंड इन डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज, जो डिनोमिनेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर एज इट इज लिखना है. दैट मीन्स 4. So we can say the answer will be how many? 4 7 ja 28 plus 3 31 upon 4. That is your complete answer. Very simple question. Now come here, next question. Now in this question, similar way we'll do. First of all, draw one line. Okay, now what I have to do? We have to do 9 multiplied by 6. So all of you write down 9 multiplied by 6 plus which number? Numerator 4. Okay, and divided by how many? As it is, जो denominator आपका है वो same denominator लिखना है. Understood? So we can say 9 6 are 54 and 54 plus 4, that is 58 upon 9. Yes, very good. So this is your complete answer. Understood all of you? Now we'll move next question. ये question आपको करना है. Okay, next question, third part. 11 and 11 upon 13. Okay, 11 and 11 upon 13. Tell me answer fast. Okay, first of all, 13 into 11. We have to multiply 13 into 11 plus 11 upon 13. Let's see what is the multiplication of 13 into 11. 3 1 3, 1 1 1, 3 1 3, 1 1 1. 3, this is 4, this is 1. And 143 plus 11 is equals to 4 5 1. No, this is 154. Yes, I know many of the students correct answer. So 154 upon 13. That is your complete answer. That is your complete answer. I think all of you understood this question. Yes or no? Very simple question. Okay, now we'll move next question. See here. This is done now. Okay, let's see what is the next question. Next question is very, very, very important question. All of you be focused here only. Okay. Question number 13. So question number 13 says, actually I am telling you question मैं लिख नहीं रहा हूँ. See, convert each of the following set of unlike fraction. Convert each of the following set of unlike fraction. Convert into like fraction. Means our main motive is unlike fraction को like fraction में convert करना. Understood? Now I am taking a set of like fraction. So first question. Process को समझना है ना. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 2, sorry, 1 upon 2, 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 5. अब बोलोगे सर how they are unlike fraction? How they are unlike fraction? Because obviously denominators are different. If denominators are different, then we can say this is unlike fraction. आपको क्या करना है? Denominator को same करना है. What have to do? We have to do same the denominator. So how we'll do? First of all, students, we will take out LCM. क्या करना है? LCM find. So we can say when we take out the LCM, when we will take out the LCM of 3, 2, 6, 5, then what is the LCM? Let's see. LCM of 3, 2, 6, 5. Okay, what is the LCM of 3, 2, 6, 5? 30. Very good. The LCM of 3, 2, 6, 5 is equals to 30. So सबसे पहले आपको LCM find करना है. Okay, and write down here. देख लेना अच्छे से all of you. Now what I have to do? 3 check how many times 30 will come. 3, how many times 30 will come? 10 times. How many times? 10 times. So 10 multiplied by the numerator. So 10 into 1, 10. Now think 2 how many times 30 will come? 2 how many times 30? अगर आपको टाइम्स नहीं आता है ना, so just divide lines. 30 divided by 2. So we can say 3, 2, 1 jet 2, 1 carry 10, 2, 5 jet 10. So we can say how many times? 15 times. And 15 multiplied by 1, 15 only. Okay, done. Now 6 how many times? 5 times. 5 times. 5 into 5, 25. Next, 5 how many times? 6 times. 5, 6 are 30. So we can say, 5 how many times? 6 times. 6 into 4, 24. Now we will check. Now we'll write down like this. How? Like this way. So like fraction are 10 upon 30. Next, 15 upon 30. Next, 25 upon 30. Next, 24 upon 30. Now all of you check out. This all the denominators are same. Yes, this all the denominators are just same. So we can say this is your like fraction. All of you understood? Very interesting, and this is also a good pattern ban gaya na? So we can say this is your complete answer. Okay, if in front of you this type of question will come, then you have to solve like this way only. Understood all of you? Now next question you have to solve yourself. I will give you time also, 2 minutes. Okay, so all of you solve. So write down first of all what is the correct question. Second part, that is 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 8, 11 upon. Done. All of you do fast this question. Okay, so here now all of you focus here in this question only. So how will solve the question? First of all, take LCM. First of all, we'll take out LCM. Okay. Okay. So we can say first of all, we'll take out LCM. 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. So what is the LCM of this one? Anyone know? 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. Yes. LCM. How many? LCM is equals to 24. Yes. 24 is the LCM. 24 is the LCM. Now what have to do? First of all, write down like this. 24. All of you last time. This is the last question. See here. Now 3 how many times 24? Think all of you. 3 how many times 24? 8 times. So 8 multiplied to 16. Very good. Now 4 how many times 24? 4 is the number. That is how many times? 24. 6 times. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. Now 6 how many times 24? Think all of you in your mind. 6 how many times? 4 times. 4 multiplied by the numerator. 4 5 is 20. 8 how many times 24? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So 3 multiplied by 7, 21. And 12 only 2 times. 2 into 11, 22. Now you can write down like this. 16 upon 24. 18 upon 24. Next 20 upon 24. 21 upon 24. And 22 upon 24. So that is your complete answer. Now all of you check out. This all the denominators are same. है ना? Same है ना? So that's why we can say the answer will be correct. Okay. Now this is the method. Okay. Actually your main motive is you have to same the denominator. Very simple question. Okay. Now we will move next question. My voice is coming properly only. First question, replace star less than or greater than by the, to make the statement true. What is the meaning of the question? See here. First of all, in this question says, first question, first part, 2 upon 9 star marks, 5 upon 9. In this question says, very simple, instead of the star marks, what sign you have to put? Less than, greater than, or equals to. Let's see. एक्चुअली जब हमारे सामने, याद रखना, इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू व्हेन डिनोमिनेटर्स आर सेम, जब आपके सामने डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाता है ना, then तो we can see easily find out which is greater, which is smaller. Very simple way. See like this. 2 upon 9 is there and here 5 upon 9 is there. Correct? Now 9 and 9 both denominator same. When both denominator will be same, then we will check numerator. कौन सा numerator greater है? 5 या 2? Obviously we can say 5 is the greater. That means we can say if it is greater, then obviously 2 upon 9 is the smaller than 5 upon 9. है ना? 5 upon 9 जो नंबर बिगर होगा ना उसकी तरह ये आपका साइन हो जाएगा. Okay, this one. Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see. Next part, that is 3 upon 4, 9 upon 12. Okay. Now how you solve this question? Actually, when denominator are different, then in two ways we can do. By cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. Okay, just wait. By cross multiplication method. So how like this? And starting कहाँ से करना है ये तो बहुत important चीज है. See, 3 upon 4 here 9 upon 12. Correct? 3 upon 4 and 9 upon 12. So when we'll start it from where? Like this. From first. Multiply. Give arrow. And when you multiply 3 multiply by 12, then the answer will come 36. Write down downside. And you have to multiply from here. And tell me what is the answer? 4 9 ja 36. So students, tell me, both answer is coming same. Yes or no? When both answer will become same, then the answer will be give sign equals to. So we can say this 3 upon 4 same value 9 upon 12. Okay, एक तरीका और बताया तो 3 upon 4 is there and here 9 upon 12 is there. Actually, if you convert into simplest form na, then we can say this 9 and 12 is cancelled out by 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Now see 3 upon 4 here also, 3 upon 4 here also. That's what we can say same. Yes or no? That is your very simple question. Understood all of you? Very simple question. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Now next question, let's see who solve fast. 3 upon 13, 4 upon 15. Okay, 3 upon 13 and 4 upon 15. I'm not thinking like this. Now 3 upon 13 and 4 upon 15. So how will solve? Obviously cross multiplication ही करना पड़ेगा because here denominators are different. So we can say 3 upon 13 rough ले लो. 3 upon 13 and 4 upon 15. Okay. Now we can say 3 multiply 15. How many? 45. And 13 multiply 4. How many? 52. So what is greater? 52 is greater. That means this is greater. That means this is greater. है ना? So we can say 3 upon 13 is greater than 4 upon 15. Then now next question. Let's see. 5 upon 12 and 17 upon 30. Okay, 5 upon 12 and 17 upon 30. Now next question. Sorry, next question. ये question करना. So let's see how we'll solve. First of all multiply. और multiplication की भी ध्यान से करना है. Very important because आप लोग कहीं से भी लिख देते हो. 5 into 30 that is 150. 5 into 30 that is 150. And 12 into 17, how many? I don't know. Multiply fast and tell me answer. Same question, just same question. देखो अच्छे से. 5 into 30, 150 and 17 into 12, how many? 204. 204. So obviously we can say 204 is the greater number than 150. So obviously we can say अगर ये number bigger होता है ना, so that upper side one fraction is greater. So we can say 5 upon 12 is the smaller than 17. Done. Okay, so this is your obviously correct answer. Okay, now we'll move next question. Okay, next two question you have to solve yourself. Question number 1 ka remaining parts, your homework. Fifth one and sixth one. Very simple question. Next question. Arrange the following sets of fraction in ascending order. Okay, so first question 4 upon 13, 10 upon 13, 9 upon 13 and 7 upon 13. That is it. Okay, so let's see here. Of all of you, be focused. नहीं तो फिर बोलोगे सर I don't understand sir. Sir, good morning sir. Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, very good morning sir. I have one doubt. ऐसे ऐसे बोलोगे. So see here, very easy question. Doubt देखो. See, actually you are asking in doubt counter. Obviously मैं doubt counter में समझा नहीं सकता because how I explain this question. So obviously you have to ask here only, है ना? Try to understand here only. So 4 upon 13, 10 upon 13, 9 upon 13, 7 upon 13. So first of all, what have to check? We have to check the denominators. They are in like fraction. Like fraction में yes. When they are in like fraction, then we will check numerators. Which numerator is bigger? Okay, according to the ascending order means smallest to biggest. Smaller number to bigger number. So what is the smaller number? Let's see. We can say 4. So first of all, write down 4 upon 13. First of all, write down. Then we will write down 7 upon 13. Then we will write down 9 upon 13. And then we will write down 10 upon 13. So that is your complete answer. Very simple. Anna, all of you understood? Yes or no? Very simple question. Okay. Okay, now we'll move next question. Similar question. Here, 4 upon 9. This is 4 upon 9. Now, here if you observe, this all the denominators are different. Now, anyone know how to convert unlike fraction to like fraction? Anyone know how to convert unlike fraction to like fraction? All of you know. Because we are solved now only how to convert. सबसे पहले वही काम करना है आपको, how to convert the unlike to like fraction. So we'll take out LCM. So all of you take out LCM fast. LCM of 6, 9 and 4. What is the LCM of 6, 9 and 4? Tell me fast. What is the LCM of 6, 9 and 4? Yes, 36. 36 we can say. Okay, now 36 is the LCM. Now 6 how many times? 6 how many times? Yes? See here 6 times. 6 into 5, 30. Now this is 6, 9 how many times coming? That is we can say 4 times. 4 multiply 4, 16. And 4 how many times? 9 times. So 9 multiply 1, 9. Now we have to write down according to the ascending order. Ascending order means, first of all write down, what is the smallest number? 9. But iska jo parent hai na, that means we can say this one. So we have to write down this one fraction first of all. Write down according to the ascending order. According to the ascending order, first of all write down 1 upon 4. Then we can say this one 4 upon 9. Now 5 upon 6. So this is your complete answer. Yes students, this is your complete answer. Okay, so I hope all of you understood this question. Thank you.